Mr. Al. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, our topic is about addition of dissimilar fraction. Pag sinabi natin dissimilar fraction, ang denominator ay hindi the same. Hindi sila parehas ang denominator. So, itong number 1, ito-solve natin by to find the LCD by LCM. So, ang denominator, kakopyahin natin 8, yung isa ay 12. Magpapind muna tayo ng LCD using LCM. So, 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 8 equals 24. 12 plus 12 equals 24. So, ang ating LCD ngayon ay 24. So, ilalagay natin dito 24. Then, i-divide natin ngayon. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 3 times 2, multiply pataas, so equals 6. Plus 24 divided by 12 is 2 times 3 equals 6. And simplify natin, 6 plus 6 equals 12 over 24 equals. So, i-reduce natin kapag pwede pa ma-reduce. So, ang greatest common factor nito is 12. Pwede makapag-divide ang 12 sa 24. Kaya, 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 24 divided by 12 is 2. Okay, this is our answer. Gata natin to number 2 equals. So, hindi natin ma-add because ang kanilang denominators ay hindi the same. So, kailangan natin mag-provide muna ng LCD. Gagamitin natin ngayon ay prime and continuous division. So, pag prime and continuous division, kailangan compare muna natin yung denominator. Lahat ng denominators. Tapos, susunod, alamin natin yung prime nitong mga numbers. So, ang prime na smallest is 2. Then, i-divide natin ngayon. 10 divided by 2, 5. 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, tingnan natin. Pag prime na lahat yung result, i-multiply na natin. 2 times 5 times 3 times 2 equals. 2 times 5, 10 times 3, 30 times 2, 60. Ngayon, ang ating LCD ay 60. Ilagay dito. Then, i-divide natin dito sa unang fraction. 60 divided by 10 is 6 times 3, positive 18. Plus, 60 divided by 6 is 10 times 2, negative 20. Then, plus, 60 divided by 4 is 15, times 3 is negative 45. Then, add negative, yung dalawang negative, pagsamahin mo na. So, 18 over 60, compute natin dito, negative 20 plus negative 45 equals negative 65 minus 65. Then, negative 65, positive 18, minus natin yan kasi unlike sign. Bagay 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 5 minus 1 equals 47. So, our final answer is 47. Mataas itong 65 na number. So, kunin natin ang kanyang sign. Negative 47 over 60. Hindi na ma-reduce because 47 is a prime number. Negative 2 over 5 plus 1/3 plus 3 over 2. So, dissimilar fraction. So, we have to find the LCD first. This time, gagamitin natin yung prime denominators to find the LCD because the given is denominators is all prime. So 5 times 3 times 2 equals 5 times 3, 15 times 2 equals 30. This time, the denominator is 30. Pag nakuha na yung denominator ng LCD, i-divide natin dito sa denominator ng first fraction. 30 divided by 5 is 6 times negative 2, negative 12. Then plus 30 divided by 3 is 10 times 1, 10 pa rin. Plus 30 divided by 2 is 15 times 3 is 45. Then negative 12, 10, 45, 10, and 45. So, i-add muna natin yung lahat ng positive. We have 55 over 30. Then, negative, positive, unlike signs, so we have to minus. Copy denominator. 55 minus 12. 55 minus 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, mas malaki yung 55, positive sign ang gagamitin natin. Positive 43. Again, 43 is a prime. So, this is our final answer. Hindi na siya pwede ma-reduce. Okay, I hope you learned from our discussion. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.